So talk to me. Anything?
Yeah, definitely feeling a little bit, yeah, not too bad. Almost like radiates out the other side of my leg.
This is worse?
No, it's not worse.
It just feels like it goes through.
It feels like it's going all the way through, yeah.
How about up here?
I don't really feel anything.
That's a good sign.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to 10. Goes all the way to 11.
Okay. See how 10 goes. That's actually, yeah, feeling it again there. Feel it kind of over through that
area?
Ankle bone on the other side. It goes all the way through.
Wow, yeah, it's amazing. It's coming out at 3,355. That was a bad one, right?
Ooh, yeah. Like banging that against a skateboard or something.
Good whack.
Yeah, nice whack. Getting kicked there.
The good thing is it's almost done.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's right over the area of repair, correct?
Actually, doesn't even hurt that bad.
I'll tell you what.
It's the stuff on
Your
the side.
surgeon was excellent.
He was.
You lucked out, man.
Yeah, he was a friend of mine, so I think he took extra special care of me.
Yeah,
awesome.
he treated like you, like Kevin Durant.
Yeah. I mean, the fact he can't even really, the scar is pretty darn
No,
good.
it's beautiful. Anything here?
Yep. Like I said, feel it out the other side of my foot.
How about here?
Oh yeah, definitely.
The
feel
medial and lateral malleolus are always, right? Because